How amazing it is that one man can change things so easily. And on top of that, he will change our world in so many ways and already has. Yes, we are talking about Elon Musk and his insane and productive plans. This time, Musk is ready to conquer another piece of land as Elon Musk just warned Giga Berlin can't to control insane output. They will change everything. Musk, his plan, and his passion are the instigatory factor of today's news, and we are going to cover this in today's video. Want to know every detail about Elon Musk just warned Giga Berlin can't control insane output? It will change everything. Stick to the video, like the video, support and subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of our exciting videos in the future. Let's begin today's video and get straight into topic and find out what Elon Musk said. Tesla will make sure that this is, a gemstone for the area of Germany, for Europe, and the world. This quote of Musk shows his passion and plans, and this time his target is Berlin. Musk moved to Berlin in March 2022 for the inauguration of the Giga Berlin factory, and the tweet shows the story. A Twitter handle at Elon Jet shared a plan of Musk and tweeted, "It would appear Elon took off from Austin headed to Berlin on N502SX, the third SpaceX Gulfstream aircraft." Under this thread, the Twitter handle also shared the details with map, route, and arrival timing. On March 21st, 2022, Musk tweeted and said he was excited to hand over the first Giga Berlin-made production cars. According to Reuters, the opening ceremony held in March will be attended by different personalities besides Elon Musk. The ceremony was honored by German Chancellor Olaf Scholz, Federal Minister for Economic Affairs and Climate Action Robert Habeck, and other high-ranking federal and local authorities in attendance. For making and handing over the Model Y to customers, Tesla CEO Elon Musk built the factory at the new facility located in Grünheide, 25 miles east of Berlin's city center. Musk also announced the Tesla Master Plan 3 there, which he planned to announce 8 months ago, but delays are part of Elon's plan, and now he announced the Master Plan 3, where extreme-size EV cars will be produced in large numbers. Before we get into the production and delivery numbers, let's first look at the plan of delivery day, issued on March 14, 2022, a week before Musk's visit. A Twitter handle with @TeslaAdri tweeted, and according to that, there will be a factory tour from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. local time, followed by a brief address from 1 p.m. to 1:20 p.m. Model Y handovers, 1:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m., a group photo, 3 p.m., and celebrations, 3 p.m. to 9 p.m., likely including a rave party and some dance moves from Elon Musk. According to Reuters, Musk said at the time of launch that this is a great day for the factory. He further said, another step in the direction of a sustainable future. Elon also reviewed the memory of this Shanghai firm launch. Back in January 2020, Musk danced at this time. His steps also reminisced that event. Musk is expected to cut a red ribbon at the new Giga Berlin factory in Grünheide, a coal town in Brandenburg, Germany, within commuting distance of the capital. German people were not in favor of Giga Berlin. Many protesters gathered outside the factory on the launch day. According to Reuters, people who were worried that the plant will use too much water and are unhappy with the number of trees sacrificed to build it. But Musk is passionate, and he shared his production plan at the Giga Berlin factory. Giga Berlin factory production plan. Tesla has already set a path for its Giga Berlin factory to produce 350 Model Y crossovers per week. Tesla's goal is to be at 1,000 vehicles per week before April 2022. Even Elon Musk just revealed Giga Berlin would produce 10,000 electric cars per week in 2022. According to the government, the German plant was also approved to produce up to 500,000 vehicles annually. A fifth gigafactory, named Berlin Gigafactory, is set to open in April. This project will give Tesla a total production capacity of 2 million vehicles in 2022. However, the production here in the Giga Berlin factory will not be as fast as in Shanghai. Before moving toward the Shanghai factory, let's find out the challenges faced by the Berlin factory. How Giga Berlin production will change everything. Giga Berlin is a fast-growing manufacturing plant, and its uncontrolled production capacity will change everything, as Elon warned. The way of production is very modern and, according to Musk's statement, the machine that builds the machine. It is also reported that Tesla's production lines are over 85% automated. Giga Berlin owns 8 Giga presses with a maximum operating capacity of 73.1 tons per day per machine. The maximum total capacity is 213,474 tons per year. 8 die-cast machines show the seriousness of Tesla to reaching its 10,000 per week vehicle production target in the first year. Challenges faced by the Giga Berlin factory. The company faced several delays in opening its German plant, originally scheduled to come online in July last year. Hiring the employees in large numbers was the biggest challenge. Another challenge that the Giga Berlin factory faced was the water supply. According to environmental activists and local climate dealing bodies, these factories will end up the water shortage. But Musk laughed and said, "This region has so much water. Look around you." According to Reuters, he further added, "It's like water everywhere here. Does this seem like a desert to you?" Due to these reasons and lack of permits, Giga Berlin was delayed, but on March 4, 2022, green light turned up for Giga Berlin, and that permit included 537 pages with a lot of appendices. Detmar Woodke told media bodies about this permit letter and said this approval process was a mammoth task. Further added about the decision and said, "A little ray of sunshine in challenging times." Critics are still not ready to take the glasses off as they compare this project with the Shanghai project Tesla. Don't worry about that project and no need to watch another video, as we are moving towards the Shanghai project of Tesla. So watch till the end and find out how Musk manages such arduous tasks. Tesla's Giga Shanghai. Tesla's Giga Shanghai is a factory in Shanghai, China, operated by Tesla Inc. The company will deal with the production and assembly of Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y, with Model Y deliveries slated to begin in January 2021. The factory aims to build 3,000 cars in the initial week and 250,000 electric cars per year. According to Tesla, Shanghai will be the world's largest vehicle export hub, with the new factory producing 450,000 electric vehicles per year next to the existing plant. Even the growth and production of the Shanghai Gigafactory grew at a tremendous rate during the pandemic. Elon Musk also revealed the fact that the Gigafactory Shanghai has now maximum production capacity, and China is the new export hub due to Tesla. Also, Tesla revised the massive support for the Shanghai authorities and local bodies. Even during COVID times, the city reportedly provided buses to help carry the employees to the workplace and operate in a closed-loop system with workers sleeping at the plant. According to the reports, Tesla sent a thank you letter to the local Shanghai authorities for helping transport workers plus suppliers and, at the time, reveal its plan for the new factory. Tesla said in the letter, "They fought for 3 consecutive days, working around the clock and non-stop to guarantee our company's workers could return to the factory." Musk also said in the annual shareholder meeting, "I'd like to just give a special hand to the Tesla China team. It's the best quality, lowest cost, and also low drama." He further added Shanghai had exceeded Fremont, the company's former headquarters and production hub, in production volume within 2 years. Tesla achievements. Let's shout out to the world's best and first EV company by exploring its itinerary and achievements. Tesla Inc. is an American automotive company based in Austin and owned by Elon Musk. Tesla's deal with battery energy storage, electric vehicle production, and solar panels. Model S, Roadster, and Autopilot are all the initial products of Tesla, and the series of inventions are ongoing. And now, Model X, Model Y, Model 3, Powerwall, Powerpack, and Megapack solar panels and solar roof are in the market. Musk never fails to impress, and this time we are hoping the same, as Musk knows how to plan and execute. What are your thoughts on Elon Musk just warned Giga Berlin can't to control insane output will change everything? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for today, guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.